One day at Flo's Cafe, everyone was hanging out. But then, two of Lightning McQueen's biggest fans came over. Timothy Two Strike and Minnie Cooper from England. And they were like, "Oh, it's Lightning McQueen!" And then, they fainted. But then, something strange came. Chickie's collar came. And then opened up. It is Chickix. Hey, McQueen. What is it this time, Chick? I challenge you to a race with all the Piston Cup racers with World Grand Prix. Well, at least some of them. Alright, some of the Piston Cup racers. How many World Grand Prix? All of them. Some of them are coming right now. Hello, everyone. Oh, hi, Gaskets. Hello. Hey, Raul. So, anyway, when is everything else coming here? I don't know. You know, get some race under the view. In your dreams, Thunder. Yeah, right, Thunder. What is he talking about, Thunder? You know, because Thunder always comes after lightning. Ka-chow! Really? Come on. I'm definitely beating you. Hi, Rip. I take that as a hi. Hey, acting name. Hey. Wow, Sputterstop. Great drifting. Thanks. So seriously, are any retired racers coming? Nope. Hey, McQueen. Hey, Dale. Wow. Hey, Nigel. Of course, RPM and Sue are coming together. Hey, RPM. Hey, Sue. Hello. Hey, McQueen. Hey, Carla. I wonder why Francisco's not here yet. Hey, Max. Hello. Oh, hey, my dad. Hola. So, everyone else gonna get here soon, right? Yes. Hi, Weakless. Hey, McQueen. Francesco. Hello. Hey, Lightning. Oh, hey, Jeff. Where's Lewis? He's coming. Hey, Lewis. Hey, man. So, when do you think Clutch Aid and Spearman guys are going to get here? I don't know. Not to mention Transberry Juice. Yep, even him, he's coming. Oh, hey, Transberry. So, anyone else? Yes. But not a lot. Hey, Clutch Aid. Hey, Lightning. Seriously, where is Spirit? Coming. Here he is. Hello, Lightning. Hi, Spearmint. What am I missing? I know who it is. Who is it, Rip? Nitroade. I knew it was him. Here it comes. Hey, McQueen. So what time do you think we could do the race at? I don't know. Sorry. So, how about... Let's just do it now. Okay. Good idea, RPM. Hey, let's the paint job there. It's going to be a strike with me and Lightning. Alright, let's start the race up. How they did in the old days.
And we're going to say this is the end of part 1, and we'll be back soon with part 2.
Yep.